Hi guys, my name is Tsiky. I'm a former student of VizAcademy, and I just want to quickly show you my experiences during that program. So here we go. So first we have this amazing group chat on Skype. This is where everybody asks their questions and their problems if they need to be solved. The teachers are usually pretty responsive 24/7, and you get to even ask them questions that you just don't want to share publicly. Then we also have our own folder. So let me just show one of mine. So this is like a work in progress for me. This is where you upload your stuff, and they will be able to comment on that during our webinar, which is happening 3 times a week. Everybody here will be able to see that, and you get more opportunity to ask questions. They really encourage learning, so you are really not limited to what they offer. You can just ask them whatever you want, and you got even more material. Here are all the videos. Let's just play. This is how you typically play them, and they are for you to keep. Okay, you can speed it up as fast as you want. I guess up to 3 times, but that's pretty much the overview of what VizAcademy is, and they will be spoiling you with lots of surprise, so I don't wanna give that away. But with that being said, are you guys able to tell which one is the render and which one is the picture? Right? And thank you for your attention.